Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You want the book fast? Start with precise identifiers, author, exact title, or ISBN. Enter those into a legal catalog like WorldCat or your local library search. Make sure to choose filters for format and language. Once done, note holding locations and whether a digital copy is available through the library's e-resources. If you only have partial info, broaden your terms and add publication year. These steps save time and keep your access legal and reliable. Now refine what you found. Apply filters for format, year, and availability so results shrink to relevant matches. Use Google Books or publisher previews to confirm content. Make sure the edition matches your needs. If the title isn't in your library, request it through interlibrary loan or check for e-lending platforms your library subscribes to. Once requested, track the delivery status and prepare citation details. These steps get you legitimate access with the least friction. Finalize access by borrowing digitally, or purchasing from authorized sellers. If you hit paywalls, check institutional or alumni accounts for subscriber access. Many universities provide campus VPN access to e-resources. If the book still isn't available, contact a librarian. They can suggest alternative editions, chapter scans, or request digitization. If something goes wrong, make sure you note error messages and availability dates before escalating.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.